It is a given that you will need a Thai work permit to legally work in Thailand, but things get more complicated when you change employers while here. A simple procedural mistake or misunderstanding of Thai labor laws when starting a new job could lead to delays or even disrupt your employment. The good news is Siam Legal understands what you're facing, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. I'm Pear from Siam Legal, and in this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about changing employers on a Thai work permit. We'll go over what a Thai work permit is, how it differs from a visa, what happens if you leave your job, and what steps you need to take if you want to work for a new employer. So let's get started. If you plan to work in Thailand, you must have a work permit. This document authorizes you to perform job duties for a specific employer in Thailand and receive compensation. However, many people tend to confuse work permits with visas, so let's clarify the difference. First, a Thai work permit allows you to work legally in Thailand, but it does not determine how long you can stay in the country. On the other hand, your visa determines how long you can stay in the country, but it does not allow you to work legally in Thailand unless you also have a valid work permit to go with it. Second, work permits are issued based on the employer and the position you hold, meaning they are not transferable between companies. But if you work remotely for a foreign company and do not perform job duties at all for a Thai entity, you will not need a Thai work permit, but you will need a visa to enter and stay in the country. A Thai work permit is directly tied to the company that sponsors it. This means that if you resign or are terminated, your work permit will no longer be valid. Here is what happens in those situations. If you choose to resign or are laid off, your employer must return your work permit to the Ministry of Labor within 15 days of the resignation date. It is important to note that if your cancelled work permit is tied to your visa, such as the Thailand business visa, you will need to leave the country first before applying for a new visa and work permit. If your visa is not one that is tied to your work permit, such as a Thailand marriage visa, then you can continue staying in Thailand based on the validity of your visa and apply for a new work permit with a different employer. Can you change employers and keep the same work permit? The answer is no. You cannot keep the same work permit when changing employers. Since a Thai work permit is linked to a specific employer and job position, you will need to apply for a new work permit when you get a new job. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, if you move to a different branch of the same company, you may not need a new work permit, but will need to update your existing one. Second, if you are transitioning between jobs, you need to ensure that your visa remains valid during the process. Otherwise, you may have to leave Thailand and reapply from abroad. And lastly, work permits are non-transferable. This means that even if your new job is in the same industry, you will still need to go through this application process for a new work permit again. If you have secured a new job, you will need to follow these steps to apply for a new Thai work permit. Gather all the necessary documents. You and your employer will each need to provide a list of documents. Your employer needs to issue you copies of the job letter and employment contract to begin the application process and provide you with the company documents needed to prove that you will be working under a registered juristic entity. Once you have obtained these documents, you will need to provide the following: signed copies of your passports, biodata, and Thai visa pages, education degree, transcript, and any relevant certificates or licenses, a valid Thai visa, passport size photos taken within the last 6 months, a CV or resume detailing your past positions, responsibilities, performance, and employment history. And if you are married to a Thai national, your marriage certificate alongside any related documents such as your wife's Thai ID card, household registration, and children's birth certificates. Certain documents may need certification from your country's embassy and legalization by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs as requested by Thai authorities. Additionally, you may also be required to have them translated into Thai. Siam Legal can assist with both of these tasks simultaneously. Submit your application. Depending on the type of company hiring you, the work permit application will either need to be submitted at the Ministry of Labor or at the Board of Investment, also known as the BOI. But before this, make sure that the visa you had listed on your work permit application does not expire before processing time is completed. As the Labor Department system system links these two together. Also, the processing time can take anywhere from several days to a couple of months. Collect your work permit. To do this, you must appear in person at the Labor Department with your passport and sign the work permit book in the presence of Labor Department staff. Once done, the department will stamp your permit to confirm that it's been processed and approved, after which you can begin legally working in Thailand. If your employer's company is BOI approved, you have the option to obtain a digital work permit from the One-Stop Service Center in Bangkok. This digital version of the work permit removes the need to carry a physical card or book around and can be accessed conveniently through a mobile application. Transitioning from one job to another is a natural part of your professional journey, but it also comes with several legal steps when doing so in a foreign country. This is where Siam Legal comes in. We are a full-service law firm and visa consultancy in Thailand with over 20 years of experience in helping both foreign and local clients with their legal and immigration needs. This means that we are equipped with both the knowledge and skills to make your transition process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Whether you need to leave the country and apply for a new working Thai visa, or are you simply in need of a new work permit, Siam Legal provides assistance tailored to your specific needs. We offer a wide range of services including assessing which Thai visa best suits your needs and purposes in the country and assisting you with your application, preparing, translating, and legalizing all necessary documents to meet the Labor Department's requirements for your work permit application, and submitting your work permit application on your behalf to the correct government agency. With our expert assistance, you can avoid delays and potential disruptions to your career in Thailand. If you have any further questions regarding Thai labor laws, work permits, or visas of any kind, please contact us via the links in the description. Like and subscribe for more insights into Thai law, and thank you for watching our video. สวัสดีค่ะ